Too many attempts, try again later, Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can solve too many attempts, try again later on Telegram. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to solve the too many attempts, try again later issue on Telegram, you can just try to basically open the Telegram application here, and then let's say whenever you try to log into your account it says too many attempts. The reason it says that is because you have tried to log in too many times into your Telegram account recently and Telegram has restricted the access. Most of the time this issue will get solved maybe 4 to 5 hours after this issue has occurred, or maybe 6 hours or 1 day at the very maximum. If it still doesn't get solved, then there are a couple of steps we can take. You can try to long press the Telegram app icon, tap the I button here, then just go to the storage tab to clear the cache files and data. So go to storage, clear cache, and make sure to clear the data. Open up your Play Store. In the search box just type in Telegram, check if the app has an update. If it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Last but not the least, just try to use your mobile data. If you don't have your mobile data, you can actually try to use a VPN to able to solve this problem, because when you use a VPN, this issue is going to get resolved itself. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.